If you clicked on this video, it means you have already installed WSA, and as you know, we can transfer files from WSA to Windows, but we can't transfer files from Windows to WSA. It's because WSA, which stands for Windows Subsystem for Android, acts like a separate Android device. So we can't directly send files from Windows to WSA. But here is the simple solution for this. Open WSA and go to the Play Store. Install an app called Wi-Fi FTP. Open the app. Click on Start. Now, go to the File Manager and add a network location by right-clicking on this PC. Here, put this network address. You can give any name here. I am naming it WSA. After this, as you can see, now we can access the file manager of WSA. From here, we can copy the files from Windows and then paste into the WSA file manager just like this. And that's how we can easily transfer files from Windows to WSA.